Good morning, friends. We are so excited that you're with us today. We are up bright and early at Glacier National Park. You were with us here last week on a very cool waterfalls trail, St. Mary Trail. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and click on the link and check that out. But today we're going to do the Going to the Sun Road. We're super excited. I've never been on it. It's been 100 years since he's been on it. So we're excited to take you with us on that. We have started out already this morning, just starting to head up. And this is the view we've got already this morning. You can see those waterfalls in the distance. The Going to the Sun Road is a 50-mile road. Is that right, honey?
That is correct.
50 miles. Oh, there's a little teeny tiny critter. What you doing, little dude? He doesn't even know I'm here. You guys can't see him. Anyway, so we're excited. We're very intentional as we travel to make sure that we can take you guys with us and you'll enjoy the drive and enjoy the journey as much as possible. It's nice if you can actually be here, but we hope you enjoy the drive with us today.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side,
we're in snow!
Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Okay, you guys, we're approaching Logan Pass Visitor Center. We're gonna go ahead and go in there for a second. Okay, well, we were to the pass by 9 a.m. actually, but it's already packed. So we'll just keep driving.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Okay, so far we're finding this drive acceptable. It's gorgeous.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
All right, you guys, I think we're gonna pull over for a minute on this one and let's walk around and check it out. And Dean's driving, so he's staying super focused. We're gonna give him a chance to look around, and this is really insane, you guys. They're like an art form in and of themselves. It's crazy. Okay, friends, we're passing the Weeping Wall. Hope you have your umbrellas because I think we're about to get wet.
There is something we need. It's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, something you don't know. You need a little enlightening, it'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Okay, so here's something we're discovering, besides the fact that this is the most amazing drive ever. So last week we took you to St. Mary Falls, which was so gorgeous, and you should totally do that. But what we've discovered on this drive, and happily discovered, is that if you can't do that hike and see St. Mary Falls, there's so many places along going to the Sun Road where you can pull over and see some really fabulous waterfalls with this same, let me get out of the sun, with this same spectacular blue water like what we showed you there. So yeah, so if you can take that hike, do it. But if you can't, you will see some of that stuff just by pulling off the side of the road. So that's very cool. Okay friends, it's been a long drive today and we're starving. We woke up super early to hike. So we're gonna have a little chicken salad and then get back on the road. What you got in there?
Food. I'm hungry. We ate way early this morning.
We did. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it?
15 till 11.
Okay, it's only 11:15, but yeah, we got up super early, had breakfast at like 5:20, 5:30, so we're hungry. We are at Sprague Creek.
That's right.
Right? It's right on the lake, so we're gonna actually have lunch and then go walk down to the water.